So ran into a hiccup. So it's the shock. Took the shock out. Like I said, it was nothing but the 2 bolts up there. And there was 2 bolts underneath. That was like right here somewhere. You'll see it if you take them out. But anyways, this is what was wrong with it. Look at this mount. This mount is shot. Oh my God. This is what the old mount looked like. This is what the new mount looked like. See that? Compared to that. Oh God. But anyways, ain't supposed to do that. It's supposed to sit nice and tight. But it's the problem I was having, long story short. So once I got it out, I was getting ready to put the new ones in. You know what I'm saying? I got the new ones, the old ones. What do you see different? These things has a welded in bezel for the screw bolts. Like for the bolts that I took out, these screw in to these. Screws right into this. And this is welded on to the old shock. So the new shock, of course, doesn't come with one. So you gotta find nuts or bolts to fit onto this to screw it. So that's what I just did. I had to go to Home Depot and bought some new nuts, bolts, washers. You know what I'm saying? To go ahead and put that on there. But now the other problem is, obviously, we gotta replace this. I mean, we gotta reuse this. So I gotta take this off of this old one to put on the new one. In order to do that, this has to come off. But that's not coming off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it off. And go ahead and just cut, you know, probably like right here. And then I can just slide everything off, slide this off, the dust cover, and then put everything together. So let me go ahead and do that and get right back to you guys. You got that shit cut off, cut that off, dust boot off. Don't need that no more. Just need this now. Take that, put that on here. Alright. Now, let's basically screw this back in. You gotta hold this top part with some vice grips and screw this in with a wrench so it gets tight. And then I'll show you guys when I go put it back on the car. Alright, got the new shock in. Like I said, it was basically self-explanatory. I had to take this dust boot off the old one, put it on the new one. Once I did that, I just tightened the bolt up on the top. Like I said, you hold this down with some vice grips, because if not, it's going to spin on you. And then you tighten down the bolt here on the top. Once you get finished doing that, you basically just put the 4 bolts back in. 2 on top here, and then there's 2 more underneath. Right there, the shiny bolts. Alright. That's basically it, man. Other than that, just repeat it for the other side.